use GCash bills payment for CFC home office transactions. Click Bills icon. In the search biller here, type Couples for Christ Global Mission Foundation, Inc. and click to choose the biller. Type the amount you are paying. In the product name, click the drop-down arrow to select the product name. Enter the following details: member ID number, complete name, email address is optional. Then click Next. Review the details entered and click Confirm. Thank you for using GCash bills payment for CFC home office transactions.